There we go. On example 2, we are trying to figure out what value of z would make the equation below have no solutions. And so there's 2 sets of things I want to annotate. First is z. This tells us that I need z is equal to something. Essentially, I'm going to have to solve for z. In order to answer this question, I'm going to have to solve for z. But then I also see that I have no solutions. And so raise your hand. What is the observation from the table that we made about no solutions? Michael. Same coefficients, different constants. Okay. In order to get what they're asking, that's what I need to be true. The same coefficients with different constants. Again, much like we saw in the first example, I actually can't make any inferences because the distribution is there. And so let's distribute this 3 first. 3z x minus 15 is equal to negative 9x minus 8. Okay. Again, the constants right now are locked in. I cannot adjust the constants. And so let's confirm that they are different. Negative 15 and negative 8. Are those different? Yeah, okay. So we're good there. And so now it's a matter of looking at my coefficients. 3z and negative 9. Well, Michael already named that if they need to be the same mathematically, that means that they are equal. And so 3z is equal to negative 9. Okay, well from here, this is actually just a one-step equation. Raise your hand. What do I want to do on both sides? Sage. Louder. Divide by 3. And so I learned that z is actually negative 3. So in order to have no solutions, z would need to be negative 3. Now, the part here that we've not done super often before is I actually want to check this. Because this seems like a big claim for me to say, yeah, if z is negative 3, turns out this solution is actually just never going to work. Or this equation's never going to work. And so, let's check this. I'm going to take the original equation, 3 times, and now instead of z, I'm going to have negative 3x minus 5 is equal to negative 9x minus 8. And so now I am just going to work this like a normal equation. Distribute negative 9x minus 15 is equal to negative 9x minus 8. Now, yes, I know that at this point I can actually see my coefficients are the same and my constants are different, but I want to be super clear. I'm going to add both, or 9x to both sides. Because when I do that, I think it's really obvious that all of a sudden I have negative 15 equals negative 8. Is that true? No. And so, the false statement tells us no solutions. Any questions on the notes? All right, then I see people already starting. You got to fold these, get these glued